5 things for beginners who want to start riding. The first is equipment. You need to understand the equipment is so important. You need to put equipment on first place. So let's make the category: sport bikes or naked bikes, dirt bikes, and supermoto. For sport bikes, you can choose 2 options. One-piece laser suit. It's for track days, for city too, but for city it's not perfect because summer is too hot and you will be all wet. You need to go to shower 3 or 4 times in one day. The second option of suit, it's a 2-piece suit with zipper on this place, and you can ride only in jacket or in pants, and it's better for city because you can choose what you want to wear and drive with more comfortable, but it's less safety. Yeah, it's one minus of this setup. For dirt bikes, if you ride hard in forest or motocross track, you need to have the all equipment. It's gloves, it's protection on your chest, it's protection for your knee, and boots too, and helmet. For supermoto, you can choose what you want. You can ride with equipment like in sport bike or like in dirt bike. You can choose all what you want, but it's only my things about this. I want to have 2 complex for track days and for everyday ride. For everyday ride, I think the better, it's only my things. It's helmet, it's chest protection, like plastic, it's gloves, not laser gloves. I like these gloves, it's textile, and that's all. It's only my option. So for you, I can recommend ride with all equipment, with suit, with helmet, with gloves, with laser gloves, and boots. It's better for you, for your protection, especially if you are beginner. So ride safe. For sport bikes, it's helmet, suit, gloves, and boots. For dirt bikes, it's helmet, chest protection, gloves, knee protection, and boots. For supermoto, you can choose what you want. Equipment from sport bike or dirt bike. The choice is yours, but I recommend suit. It's more safety. The second thing is you need to know how correctly ride bike, and I can recommend you to go to good moto school. You need to have all knowledge how ride correctly. You need to know how control bike. I don't know how I can explain you. You need to know how ride on low speeds, how steering, and it's like, and high speeds. It's like you need to have all of this knowledge, and how brakes correct, and all of this you need to know. It's better for you. You will ride safety and no road situation. I don't know. It's true. The third thing is you don't need to prove something to anyone. You need to know if you ride in public roads, in city, you can drive safety. You don't need to ride fast. You need to know the all laws and rules in your city, in your country, and be safety. It's better for you and for around peoples. You need to understand you have one life, and other peoples have one life too, and it's very important to ride safe. If you want to ride hard, you can go to track and ride hard like what you want. Yeah, it's very important. You need to know you're invisible for drivers on cars, and you ride bike with 2 wheels without metals around you, and you need to realize the whole what do you do. After you saw equipment, went to school, realize the all what you want, you need to choose bike. It's very important thing. It's fourth. I can recommend you same like with sport bike, naked, dirt bikes, and supermoto. For sport bikes, I can recommend you Yamaha R125, MT 125, or R3 or MT-03. For beginners, it's better bikes. It's only my thing. For dirt bikes, I can recommend you bikes like pit bike. It's small bikes. It's not like this. It's middle-sized bike, but pit bike have very low weight, and it's good opportunity to you can start fill your bike and ride on forest, on motocross track. It's like UCF 125, yeah, and another brands, but pit bike I think it's better for start riding. After you can buy something more like this bike. For supermoto you can choose the same pit bike but only with supermoto wheels or beta 50cc. Yeah, it's two-stroke, but it's a very low-weight bike, and I think it's cool bike for start in supermoto. After you start riding, fill your bike, and you can buy something more like this bike. In sport bikes, it's like Yamaha R7 or MT-07. For enduro bikes, it's KTM 250 4-stroke, EXC F, or for cross SXF. For supermoto, you can choose, I don't know, I like KTM SMC 690R. I like this bike, I don't know, it's only my things about this, but you can prefer what you want. So for beginners, I can recommend you start with 125cc. Better for you to, you can start filling your bike and have skills, and after you can buy something more with more power and drive with more comfortable. And the last one is fifth, you go where you see. I want to say you, it's like if you see tree in front of you and see only in this tree, you go to this tree. And if you know how it's ride enduro, it's I think the one rule to ride safety. If you see turn, if you see corner of turn, you can see behind this turn. You know, I don't know. In the future, I will make the video how it works. Like you go when you see. Yeah, I think it's a good video. Subscribe on this channel and tap like. It's very important for me, for my channel. It's motivate me. Thank you. And a little bonus thing from me: please don't ride hard in city and in all of public roads, public places. City, it's not track, it's places with more peoples around of you. I have 5 or more seasons back. I not count this, but I started riding in 15. Now I'm 21. And first I start riding in fields, in forests, and after I start riding in the city too. So I know what I talk to you. Please be safety and be responsible. Thank you. We will finish this video, and you need to understand all of these things before you want to start riding. It's very important for you. It's only for you. You need to understand all what you want to do on bike. Okay? Be responsible for you and for your life. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, you can write comments, and I will read it and make more videos like this. I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.